Good morning, everybody. In last 16 years of my practice, I have been looking for a thrombus suction devices, which has to be effective. Many a time we know in intervention, initial days we used to use them very frequently. Then came the time, then they went out of flavor. Everybody started using with the GP2 inhibitors, Brillianta coming in. The use of thrombosuction has gone down and it never come to the class 1. A typical story, a guy with infarct, and we see the LED, which is 100% occluded like this. We know this is thrombus only, predominantly, nothing else. RC is normal. PAMI situation, we try to push a wire blindly. We try to balloon. Initial days, we used to put a thrombustor, but everybody know the thrombustor are very stiff to go inside. The caliper is very low. When we aspirate, many times we pass multiple passes. We really don't get the thrombus on this side of the mesh, and we are stuck. And we don't use the thrombus suction many times. We see the no flow, no reflow, and then we are stuck with giving adenosine, nicorandil, SMP, and everything, and then we are stuck with the myocardial damage. So this is the one new equipment I got, is the CAT-RX, the mechanical thrombectomy device, which is of larger caliber, and it has got constant negative pressure by the machine, and it absorbs the thrombus. Initial days, I started using this thrombustor, the CAT-RX, for the pulmonary cases. This I have been using for almost a year now. I treated a lot of pulmonary thromboembolism cases on the oxygen, RV dysfunction, hypoxic, hypotension. I use this and the thrombus clear on the eyesight, and then ultimately patient drastically improve. So I used almost 5-6 CAT-RX for the pulmonary initially, and I was actually waiting for this for the coronary indication. So this I did the case, a couple of cases. We can actually see the chunk in the mesh of the machine, which creates the negative suction basically. So this equipment I have found very, very user friendly. The way it passes in the coronary. First one I show going down the LED was very smooth, although you can see the suction lumen is quite big. It can suck a thrombus. And one very interesting mechanism I found, against the contrary, we use the thrombustor, is what they taught us doing is go proximal to the thrombus. Don't go across as we go the thrombustor and take multiple runs. Go proximal to the thrombus. Keep that machine in a negative mode. It keeps sucking and suck the thrombus. Once the thrombus is sucked, it goes the continuous blood flow. You can see it is stuck with the thrombus, and with the pressure, it goes away and the free flow starts. Then you go a little further, then suck the thrombus. And this is the way you go down the line so that complete thrombus is taken over. You can see the diameter is 5.3. Obviously, it cannot be used with the guide liner or buddy wire, but then lumen is quite big. And to my surprise, it passes against the mechanical thrombus aspiration. It does smoothly goes across the curves. And reuse, because I had to reuse for the obviously financial reasons, but the reuse is also equally smooth going in.